Sup, it's like 7 a.m. in the morning. I'm about to go to the office. But first, I have a story for you. Do you know that until late last year, I never knew that you could customize your Mac OS terminal, or any terminal in any case. If you're a power user or some kind of developer, I'm sure you make use of your terminal as well. I'm going to show you something, how to turn your macOS terminal from this to that. In short, we're going to make use of three different things. The main installation plugin to replace the default boring macOS terminal we have, and then the themes, and then the plugins, which are like extensions in this case. Repeat after me. Main installation, themes, and plugins. That's three. The app is called Oh My Zsh, a very weird name, I know. Click on install Oh My Zsh and then click that command script. Click it and copy it and paste it in your terminal and hit enter. And now let it do the magic of cloning and installing, and now it's installed. Yeah, let me show you how to change the themes. So the first thing we need to change is the one in shell. Edit background color. We need to make it look more like liquid glass. Select clear dark, and now we have a nice transparent liquid glass kind of aesthetic. What do you think? Alright, now it's time to change the themes of Oh My Zsh. So we can terminate this process and then head over to your home folder and click Command, Shift and dots to show hidden files. Alright, we can now find .zshrc and click Open With and select Visual Studio Code in orders since it's not already listed there. That's right, the Visual Studio Code is now opened. First, we need to trust the window. So click on trust if it prompts you to do that. You can now close it. Now, here is our ZSHRC, and you can see where we changed the theme. The current theme is there, Robbie Russell. All we have to do to change it is clear that out. For me, I want to use the random option, to randomize between the themes until I find one I really like and then stick to it. So after selecting random, you command S to save and close and open terminal. And you can see each time we close, open, new theme, close, open again, another new theme, thanks to random. Isn't that cool? What do you think? Yeah. We can also change the plugins in that same file in Visual Studio Code. Yep, there is a place to alter plugins, and we have so many plugins. Note, plugins are like extensions. Yeah, you have to be very careful not to use so many or they're going to slow down your performance. So I'm going to test three plugins. So let's use the Git plugin, one password plugin, and battery plugin, and command S to save. Of course, we need to close and relaunch terminal for them to take effect. Yeah, and that's it. Like that, they are all already in the terminal. It's that simple. Yeah, so if you want to uninstall everything, there is a script. You can just write what I wrote. Uninstall _o_my_zsh and put in Y for yes. And that's all. Everything is uninstalled. It's that simple. That's if you don't want it anymore, but I know you probably want it. Anyways, I hope this tip was useful to someone out there, and always thanks for watching.